In performance coatings, we talked about the importance of clean air at the point of application. We covered that with our filtration, with the water separator and with the oil coalescer. But one of the important parts of the whole process is to have clean dry air. And drying air is normally done a couple different ways. One is with a refrigerated air dryer where you cool the air. One is done with some type of a desiccant, and one way would be with a membrane dryer to dry the air. What we've done here at Tsunami is we are using what we call a regenerative dryer. So this system, as we bring air through there, as we bring plant air, shop air through there, we run it through a water separator, Tsunami water separator, we run it through an oil coalescer, because we want to assure the longest life of the desiccant in these towers by keeping it liquid-free and oil-free. The way this system works is we flow filtered air through here, and it'll flow through one tower for approximately 2 minutes, and then we'll switch to this tower, and we'll flow air through this tower, and then we'll switch back to this tower, then we'll switch back to this tower. When we're flowing air through there, we'll take a little bit of air that's running through the clean, fresh tower, and we'll percolate some of that air back through these beads, the desiccant beads in that second tower. And that's vented out the bottom here. So we're using some of that clean, dry compressed air on the fresh tower to dry out the beads here. You're probably familiar with the desiccant type pots that's been used. So if you picture that, you start off day one with brand new desiccant in there. And day 2, day 3, day 4, your performance curve generally goes down because that media is absorbing humidity. Well, at some point you need to change those beads out in those towers. So if you think it in simple terms, think about every 2 minutes we're having a brand new desiccant tower put in the system here. Every 2 minutes we're swapping those towers out. So you can get a clean flow of air coming through this unit 24 hours a day without really any maintenance or anything that goes in there.